Hello, today we're going to be looking at ways to make Word documents more accessible for students to read on their computers. As you can see, I've pulled up a random Word document. This one is about the Washington Standards for 6th grade. And if I wanted my students to be able to read this easier, I would have them go to View, which I've already pulled up, click Immersive Reader, which is a program that allows students to focus in and hone in on different words a little bit easier for them to be able to understand and comprehend words more. So right now this page looks pretty daunting. Kind of is, since it's the standards for teachers, not necessarily students. But what you can do is, for one, you can change how narrow your column is, which allows for more or less words to appear on the screen at one time, which could help unclutter the screen for students. You can also have students choose different colored backgrounds because some students find it easier for certain contrasts um, to see words and whatnot. So I'm going to pick this green color. The text spacing breaks up words and spaces them out more, so it's easier on the eyes for students. You can also have them click syllables, which helps break up into syllables the words. I'm going to have an example of a read out loud real quick, which will read the words to the students as it goes along, highlighting the words as it goes. So it's going to sound like this.
Content package. Ancient cultures. 6th grade. WA standards. World history. 6th grade.
Now I'm going to pause it. And the one I really like is this line focus tab, which allows students to choose between 1 and 5 lines in which is going to be highlighted on the screen at one time. So right now it is highlighted the place that it is left off in the read out loud. And if I continue on,
The study of world civilization.
it moves the line down as it goes so students can follow along more easy. And even if they aren't using the read aloud feature, this line focus allows them to only focus in on the part they're supposed to be reading at the time. Just minimizing distractions, minimizing clutter for students when they're trying to read documents on Word. So that was Immersive Reader, and I think it is a great tool to help students be able to comprehend and understand documents that they see on Word in a more accessible way.